So now, among the mycota or fungi, they are classified into what? Into four. The first one is the Phycomycetes. This second classification is the Ascomycetes. Then the third classification is what is Basidiomycetes. And finally, the last one is Deuteromycetes. So these are the four classes of what? Of Mycota or what? Or fungi. Now, then the next group is the plant. Is the what? Is the plant kingdom. Plant kingdom is one of the broad kingdom in what? In classification of living organisms. So in this plant, we know that there are organisms that are self-dependent, meaning they have the ability to manufacture their own food. They are self-dependent. That is to say, they are autotrophs in nature. So, what makes them to be self-dependent is the presence of chlorophyll. They are very aware about cell wall and chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, they contain the green pigment chlorophyll, which they use in manufacture their own food during what? Photosynthesis. So now, mostly plants, they are non-motile in nature. But sometimes at certain level or stage, some plants exhibit motility behavior. So, plants, they are both unicellular and multicellular in nature. Meaning they can be unicellular, they can also be what? Multicellular in nature. So now, this plant are divided into what? Into two major groups. Into what? Two major what? Groups. Plants. The first is the cryptogams. And the second group is the what? The phanerogams. Now, these cryptogams, they are refers to seedless plants. Sometimes we call them non-embryonic plants. These plants, since they are seedless, non-embryonic, and they do not bear flower, also can be called as non-flowering plants, because they do not bear seed, no flower, no embryo during fertilization. So this means that these cryptogams, they are known as seedless, non-embryonic, and non-flowering plants. While these phanerogams, they are known as seed plants, meaning they bear seed. They can also be called what? Flowering plant. They can also call what? Embryonic plant. Embryonic plants. So they are further then divided into three: the thallophytes, the bryophytes, and the pteridophytes. So they are then classified into two. That is the angiosperm meaning those that have enclosed seed, meaning their seed is enclosed. They have what? Enclosed what? Enclosed seed. Then we have the gymnosperm. Those that have what? Naked what? Naked seed. Meaning their seed is naked, is not enclosed. So the first one, which is the thallophytes, here in this case, and they are mostly what? Aquatic animals. They are mostly what? Aquatic. Since they are non-flowering, non-embryonic, and seedless, meaning they lack true leaves, root, and also what? Stem. So these are one of the features of thallophytes. They are mostly what? Aquatic. They lack true leaves, root, and also what? Stem. Meaning they are non-vascular plants. They are not non-vascular plants.